Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Debbie and it's nice to meet you, and if I've already met you then, hey! So today I am doing this little look, literally super quick, and that's what we like. So keep on watching to see how I do this, and hopefully you try it out too. I don't know why I'm doing all this with my hands, but I am. Let's get started. Oh, there's a little eyelash stuck to my brush, as you do. Okay, so first I'm taking the P. Louise Base in Rumor, and I'm gonna put that all around my eyes to cover up the pinkness that's already on them from a previous look, which you can find on my Instagram, which I will link below. Next up on the beauty list. Okay, so in my videos I do only like to use like one kind of palette, just so you don't have to buy a shitload of different palettes and I'm not putting them out all everywhere like, oh, I'm using this palette for this one colour, oh, I'm using this for this one colour. So today I'm showcasing the Masquerade palette. So I'm just going in with a brown one, a purple kind of shade, and then this really nice shade. It's called Calabar. So going into that brown shade, I'm just literally, I'm not even building these colours up, I'm just blending as soon as I put them down because I'm wanting this to be soft and easy. And I'm just going to use the same brush and go in with the purple shade, literally like 2 little taps, and just blend that over the top of the brown, more so on the inner corner. And then I'm going in with that Calabar shade, and I basically drew on where I would have like the cut crease, and going in with that darker shade again. You can take that brown under the eyes too. I'm putting on lashes, which are the Kaylee Emu eyelashes. And then I'm going to take a little bit of mascara just to blend in the fake lashes into the natural lashes, and then they look like big lashes. Yeah. Okay, and I'm using the Volume Mascara Flash from Rimmel London. I'm like always afraid of this bit in case it like takes the eyelashes off. Just me? Anybody else? And that is one eye beautifully done. For the face, I'm going to use the Maybelline Superstay foundation. Put on a wee bit of contour, which is the Anastasia Beverly Hills contour palette, and it is these two, and then a little bit pink. So the darkest always goes here, here. And then the other colours, which isn't much difference off that dark colour, goes around the face. And a little bit of pink, as in like a little Nike kind of tick. And then we blend out all that beautifulness. Then taking the RCMA No Colour Powder, and I'm going to powder all around my face. For lip gloss, I'm using the Freedom Pro Melt lip gloss in the shade Naked. Now to finish off the rest of the face. Don't know why I was clapping there, but you know. And with the Huda Benefit bronzer, and just pat that in place where we just done the cream contour. And then blend up. As I said, we always blend up with the cheeks. Then using the Makeup Revolution Blush Dream palette, just putting on a little bit of blush. And the last bit to put on is the Be Perfect Sub-Zero palette, and I'm going in with In Blankets. because I feel like this has a little pink kind of glow to it, and we're doing a pink look, so just tying it all in together. Okay, so everyone, that is me done with this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. I hope you have learnt a little bit, and if you have, then please go subscribe to my channel. It would be amazing. Sit like this until you've subscribed. Oh, I moved. You must have already subscribed. Yay! Okay, I'm a bit strange.